Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sips by unboxing. This is one of their themed boxes, and this is the Best of 2019 tea box. We have our teas listed on the back. So let's go ahead and pull them out, take a look. As always, since there is loose leaf tea for some of these, they send you these little baggies that you can put them in, which I love. And the first tea I'm pulling out is by Harney and Sons, and this is black tea. It's called Paris, and apparently has high caffeine level. And that has vanilla flavor, black currant flavor, bergamot oil, caramel. Sounds pretty interesting. Then there are 4 packets. This is Beauty Sleep Beautifying Botanicals Chamomile Rose Tea. Collagen Promoting Blue Butterfly Pea Flower. I do love chamomile tea. It's one of my favorites. So I am excited to try that one. I'm going to try all these before I post the video, so I can leave it in the comments below what I think about it. Next up, Tealyra, I think it is. There are 4 bags in here. Cream Earl Grey Moonlight. And they actually rate their caffeine level, so this is 3 out of 5. It looks like there's a promo code on the back too. And then this one, I think, well, I've had stuff by this brand. I don't know that I've had this one specifically. Faerie Garden Tea. Blend with the perfect Fae party in mind. This caffeine-free herbal blend is sure to get your toes tapping. Great hot or iced. So it has spearmint, peppermint, lavender, heather, cornflower petals, and cinnamon. So pretty interesting there. So I'll go ahead and show you the card again so you can see the caffeine levels, and there's promo codes on there too as well. So if you want to try one of these already curated boxes, you go to their website and click the shop button at the top right, and you can find this box along with many, many other themed boxes. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.